For a classic-looking, safe and durable external door, look no further than a Doors Plus solid timber door. Made from sustainably sourced Pacific ash timber, our external doors bring a natural elegance and character to both traditional and contemporary styled homes. The optional moulding on the Balmain range adds depth to your doors, while the Claremont Collection offers pure elegance in quintessential French and Victorian styles. To invite natural light into your home, choose from our external timber doors that incorporate clear, translucent or decorative glass. We have solid and glazed ranges for front, back, side, laundry and garage entrance doors in single and double configurations. And with the option of adding matching timber side panels, your entrances will really stand out. What about safety? Our exclusive Guardian 2-in-1 door combines a screen door with an entry door in one. From the inside, a hinged panel of safe glass can be opened to let the fresh air in or check who's knocking. This glass window has you covered. From the outside, your family is kept safe with a 316 marine grade stainless steel mesh for added protection. As well as typical hinge doors, we have folding, sliding and stacking options with solid construction to give your living area a more spacious feel and seamlessly extend your entertaining space from indoors to outdoors. No time to finish the doors? No fuss. We can have them finished for you in Doors Plus Signature Dark Maple. If you prefer something else, we can leave them raw to paint in the colour of your choice, so the design possibilities are endless. Visit your nearest Doors Plus showroom today to browse our impressive range of external solid timber doors and book your free measure and quote. Doors Plus, no fuss.